Organic seeds at Home Depot. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This channel we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today we're gonna be talking about organic gardening seeds. We usually have our organic seeds from that we harvest from the previous years. I have another video that shows you how to save your seeds for the next year, but last year I forgot to save a couple of seeds for a couple of items like pepper. I have a couple of seeds that I saved from a couple of years ago, but I didn't save enough, so I need to get some seeds. So I was trying to see if I can find some organic seeds here. So the only store that has seeds out right now is Home Depot. So they have some great selection of organic seeds here, and they have some very nice reasonable prices. They range from $1.79 to about $3.97. So most of them are fairy moss. They have different varieties and different sizes, but they have some great selection of seeds over here that I'm gonna take a look at them and see if I can find what I'm looking for. But they have some quite different varieties of hybrids and a ton of different seeds for different plants and flowers. So take a look at it and see if you need something. But like I said, it's always cheaper if you can save your own seeds, so that way you don't have to buy seeds. But if you're in a situation like I am, where I don't have a particular seed, you can get good organic seeds over here. You can also check a couple of other stores have organic seeds. Right now, the only store that I've seen that has it is Home Depot, but Walmart and Target, Lowe's, and a couple of different stores around here. They have it. I'm sure they have it around your area too. So say check your local lawn and garden store. Also online, you might be able to find some of these seeds or some of these specialized seeds online on an online specialized seed companies. So I'll see if I have a link to any of them. I'll put them below. But just check your local stores if you don't want to go through the hassle of shipping your seed. If you have any other great ideas on how to get better seeds or cheaper seeds, please leave them in the comment below so that we can learn from you what you do in terms of how you get your seeds. If you buy seeds, you might have a website or you might have a special place where you get seeds. So if you have it, just leave them in the comments below, and I'm sure a lot of people are gonna be happy to get that information. So my secret way of getting cheaper seeds or better on cheaper seeds is to buy the seeds at the end of the season. If you're gonna use it the next year, you can buy some of the seeds usually at 50 or 90% off at the end of the season, when all these stores are trying to get rid of the seeds. So you can get great seeds at a lower price, as long as you're not gonna save the seeds for 3, 4, or 5 years. If you're gonna use the seed within the next 1 or 2 years, most of the time the seeds are gonna be fine. But if you're gonna save the seeds for longer, then you want to get seeds that have a longer lifespan. Most seeds have date behind them that tells you when they're gonna be expiring or the best time to use them. So just make sure you check the dates before you buy seeds. Okay, that's it for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with friends and family. Thank you and have a great day.